Okay, so yes, we are live now. I am just live for a very short period of time. So if you have any questions, guys, you can ask me here. So today we can keep the topic like anything about the e-commerce. If you want to ask, you can ask from me. I will able to give you the answer for that. Okay, so somebody is asking, what is the role of e-commerce consultant or e-commerce specialist? Okay, Mr. Subhash, let me answer you about this. वैसे तो he has a lot of responsibility in making and developing and scaling an online business. So whether he is running that business for himself or any other organization, some of the major role he is playing is like he do marketing campaign of an e-commerce site to the to influence the buyer in making a purchase. He do e-commerce search engine optimization to increase traffic on the website with the top rank on search engine, and then he do marketing and management of the online site, and he do optimization of web page so it has good visibility for the audience, and he runs campaign related to the cross selling or upselling, manage marketing campaign on the various channels of social media. Also he handle the email advertising so that to increase the sale. So these are the major roles he is playing. Okay, so anybody else? Somebody is asking how much an e-commerce specialist can earn. Okay, actually bro, earning is depend upon the various factors. If we talk about as like as a employee, an e-commerce specialist in India earns an average approximately 18 lakh, mostly we can say a range between 13 lakh per year to 23 lakh per year based upon the capability. Okay, so this is in the case when he do job of any other organization. Okay, so but if you built your business, your own business using that e-commerce skills, it can be a product base or it can be the service base, or it can be an e-commerce agency, then there is no limits of earning in this. We can say if we see towards the realistic side, if you start as an individual, you can make upon 8 to 10 lakh per month and 1 to 2 crore per year after few months of practicing एज अ बिगनर. ओके, सो फिर जैसे जैसे आपका एक्सपीरियंस बढ़ता जाएगा, टाइम के साथ साथ अर्निंग भी बढ़ती जाएगी. Okay, so but here is a disclaimer, a big disclaimer, that this is depend upon how much efficiency you are putting into your work, how do you perform your jobs. ये टोटली डिपेंड करता है कि ऑन योर एफर्ट्स, ऑन योर कंसिस्टेंसी, ऑन योर परफॉर्मेंस. आई कैन जस्ट गिव यू अ रोड मैप. For that you can join the training program, our training program for that is the e-commerce specialist training program. I will share the link for that, and you can get enrolled into that program, and you will get the entire map of the how you can be able to start an e-commerce business, or how you can able to make this much figure of money in coming time. Okay. Okay, anybody else? Yeah, somebody is asking, मुझे कोडिंग नहीं आती, क्या मैं अपनी वेबसाइट बिना कोडिंग बना सकता हूँ? ओके, यस डेफिनेटली मिस्टर रोहन, बिल्कुल बना सकते हो. देयर आर सम गुड प्लेटफॉर्म्स अवेलेबल लाइक शॉपिफाई, एंड आप बिना कोडिंग के अपनी वेबसाइट, ई कॉमर्स वेबसाइट बना सकते हैं. मुझे कोडिंग नहीं आती. All of my websites I built on Shopify without coding, so they are like super professional websites, and all of my businesses are coming from that website. Yeah. Okay, so I was here for a very short time. Okay, Okay, I'm putting this conversation on end here right now. I'm getting some questions, but definitely I will see you tomorrow back, and we can connect again by tomorrow. Thank you for connecting right now, and it's almost midnight here, and yeah, I'm putting the conversation on end right now from here. So thank you for being connected. Good night.